looking at is the Cricut design space, and I've got a tutorial on the kite cut file that I use from the Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop. And when I explained it in the other video that was just posted prior to this, I stated that the OBS had some funky style of not wanting to work. So this is the design space tutorial that I wanted to place in the video, but I found during editing that it did not. So what I wanted to show you guys is that we're going to upload this and make it work, right? So we're going to upload, and I've already added it, so I'm just going to click on it. But just so that you guys know, if you're not sure how to upload, you just click on the upload image, go to wherever your cut files, where you downloaded and saved your cut files, and then click on it and then go from there. But I've already got it, so I'm just going to click on it, insert the image. Now, the image, sometimes her cut files from Virginia will come and be really big, so I always make them really small, and I just kind of get them to a size that works and whatnot. So what I do is that I wanted to be able to add these and have it as one major cut file versus 3 individual ones. Because if I would go to make it, it would literally just look like this. It would just have the 2 on here or the 3 on here, and then it would go. Well, that's not what I wanted. So what I decided to do is that we're going to use the slice option and the weld option. So you have to go over to the shapes, come out with some shapes, unlock it, kind of go like so. You have to click on both of them, and then down here, right here where my mouse is at, all of these pop open. So we're going to slice. So then this one comes available. You can move this one over here and then delete this because we don't need that. So now I've got this individual, these 2 together. So you got to go back in and do it again. Unlock, go like so, connect them, slice. All right, so now I got that. Now we have all of these are the difference. Now, 2 of these come out gray. This one's still black. You need to come up to where it says line type and click on the material colors. Now, you can make the colors any color you want. So if you're wanting to cut 2 or 3 different kites out at a different size and on a different mat, you just make them a different color, but they're all going to be on the same one. So now I want to see what size I want these to be, and ultimately I'm just going to leave them, but you make them to the size you want, right? So now we're going to copy, and I made each one of these have its own. I had 2 on my cut file, so we're just going to paste, copy and paste each one of these. All right, so now I have them. Now I always make it a little bit smaller, and what we're going to do is that we're going to connect these guys. So we're going to start with, let's say, I think I'm going to do, let's do the template. So go into the template, click up here, go to photo memories. If you click on scrapbook layouts, it will give you this little invisible line, and it's just for a reference. It's not going to cut it out. So we want to make sure that we decide we're going to connect these, and how are we going to connect them? So I want it to go like so. Let's kind of, we'll make this one kind of go up a little bit. Put this guy right there. I'm just kind of playing around with it. You kind of play with how you would like it to be touched. And we'll go like, oop. So I'm going to kind of, you play around with your photos. You kind of play with like how you would like to see them. I actually kind of want to make this like so. And let's just for the sake of doing this, we're going to touch them here and there, right? So all of them are touching, but they're not touching. They're still single. So if you look onto this side right here, they're still sliced. we need to weld them together. So now you're going to highlight all of them. Back down here, the weld option comes available. Now we're going to weld them together. So now it's one welded option. So you see how this is all together, right? And you can do whatever you want with it, and it's going to actually cut as well. So obviously you need to make sure that you're under 11.5 inches, or otherwise it's going to bring up this big guy. So you go back, cancel, you make this, just go up to this width here, and if you do that, it makes it underneath. So then it'll fit underneath in here, so you can see that. Let's go to make it, and now it's just on the one cut file, and then you just send it. So I hope that this helps you. I just wanted to show you how I was able to take a cut file that had 3 single kites, and I put it together as one major cut file just like this. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. If you have any questions, comments, or any of that sort, leave it down below. I will definitely link all of the information of Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop along with the process video to this. So I hope that you all are having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.